In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a timer on iPhone camera. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Camera app and then right here at the toolbar first select Photo to bring up photo mode. And now all you have to do in order to set a timer is just tap right here at that small arrow icon to show up that options. And here at the very right position you can find that timer icon. You can tap on that, and here you can switch between three different options. The first is timer off, then timer for 3 seconds and 10-second timer. I can set a 10-second timer, and now to take a shot all I have to do is just hit at that shutter icon. Here as you can see there is a 10-second cooldown and also LED flashlight start blinking, and after a 10-second my camera takes a shot. Now in any time you can hit at that timer icon again and switch it to 3 seconds or toggle it off if you want. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.